Cooper Pacino, I'm a second-year apprentice. I just had a job trial one day with it, and I've liked it ever since. It's not as boring as other trades that I've tried. It's a bit more entertaining with pipework and stuff. Probably just go head down and just work. Don't try to distract yourself with other stuff. Just how much stuff goes into it. Like I thought it was just put it up in the roof and that was it. And then found out there was more to it. Probably indoor-outdoor swap. It's gotta be the easiest job. Cold. Chris Brown. Movies. Easter. Europe. Playing. Red. Square. Just get money.